when he was worrying about the battle.
Your home has given us the opportunity to bring P6 children into Fighting Words Belfast for a number of creative writing workshops. We have looked at the theme of your home very, very broadly. Children have really enjoyed the opportunity to discuss the ways that they feel at home, the places that they feel at home, conversations about things that they love and ways that they feel it at home.
Probably the Woodville Park. I like playing in it. I really like the docks because I went fishing in the dock once. W5. Yeah. W5. You get to make slime, and then there's a climb bit area, and then there's a space area, and then there's like just all these different things you can do.
My name's Anne Delaney and I'm the Arts Programme and Operations Manager for New Lodge Arts. Well, the Council offered the opportunity for tenders for the Your Home programme, and we've seen this as a brilliant opportunity to work in partnership with Fighting Words, who we know were delivering amazing creative projects for young people across Northern Ireland. And this was a brilliant opportunity for us then to engage with that organisation. So we engaged with 5 schools from disadvantaged communities across Belfast. The schools we worked with were Nettlefield Primary School off the Woodstock Road, Holy Family Primary School in Newington, Donegall Road Primary School off the Donegall Road, Glenwood Primary School off the Shankill, and St Mary's Primary School on the Falls Road.
Each of the 5 schools comes to 2 creative writing workshops here at the Skenos Centre in East Belfast. The first workshop is an opportunity for them to write a brand new story, developing original characters and become familiar with our model of very free creative writing, all led by the imaginations of the children.
It was about this wee boy called Max, and he goes into a rainforest and meets a dragon called Charlie. And I made my own book with my friend who was an illustrator. I was an author. So it's about a fox named Tiffany who lost her family to deforestation. We all thought of it. Yeah. So we took votes. Yeah.
Buddy has been kicked out of her house and she wants to live on a farm.
So they got free and it didn't. He got to the plane and he sat down. 4 hours later, he made it and jumped off.
The second workshop is something very special that we've designed, where we spend an extra hour with the children, engaging with an artwork by the artist Attila Szabo.
I like the bit where you put the thing on your finger.
So it was the pulse of your heart.
And then it bangs on the speed of your heart.
Attila made that thing. He said he made it in university.
Soundstripe. Pick one. Out of Belfast.
Also engaging with poetry in a shared reading experience, and then having conversations around a table where the children illustrate the ideas of home alongside our mentors.
Creative writing is something that's really integral to the children's development within the Northern Ireland curriculum, so I thought it would be a good opportunity to provide our children with, so that they could have different experiences in order to develop their creative writing and their literacy skills, and also for myself as a teacher to learn different techniques and employ those into my daily teaching.
My kids have loved coming here. They do love to write creatively, being able to express themselves and be actually creative where there's no constraints on that at all.
For New Lodge Arts, using creative writing for this project was breaking new ground for us, and who better to work with than Fighting Words Belfast. We believe the project was a real success, and we think the young people will carry the memories of this project with them for a long time.
The children find enormous pleasure in being given total freedom for their imaginations. They receive a lot of attention from our volunteer mentors, and they respond so beautifully to that. The conversations and the opportunity to express themselves around these themes and in response to the creative activities has been phenomenal. The response to this project has just been a pleasure for all of us. And the confidence of the children is remarkable as they leave with their stories.